Hi. By the end of this video, you'll learn what questions you can ask to figure out the name of this major key signature. If this is not your first key signature video, try your best to think what the name of the key signature is before I reveal it at the end. Watch a few more key signature videos and see if you can figure out the names of the key signatures on those videos faster and faster each time until you learn the process and no longer need a video to help you figure it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the key signature here and get started with our first question. Now, you can follow along in the treble clef staff or in the bass clef staff, whichever is easier for you to learn with, since the process is the same for any music clef. Okay, in this key signature, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different flats. The first of two questions we need to ask ourselves is, what interval is a fourth lower than the last flat in the key signature? Once we find this is the letter name of the key signature. So, let's first find that last flat. Okay, here it is. And by looking to see what line or space runs through its center, we can see that this flat's letter name is F, because it's on the F space of the staff. Now, to help us find a fourth lower than this, let's first find this letter name on a piano keyboard. Okay, there's an F we can use. The distance between two pitches in music is called an interval. To find the interval of a fourth lower, we count the music alphabet letter names in reverse, or to the left on a piano. And in music, we always count the starting pitch as pitch number 1. So let's get counting. Okay, so there's F, E, D, and C. So an interval of a fourth lower than F is C. C is the letter name of the key signature. Now, since we're working with flats in this key signature, some flat key signatures also include the word flat in their name. Well, and sometimes they don't. So before we can stop, let's ask ourselves the last question to see if this name of this key signature also includes the word flat or not. Is that letter flat, is that C, one of the flats in the key signature? So look at those 7 flats in the key signature. Does one of those other flats, does it have a C name to it? If yes, then we also say the word flat with the letter name for the name of this key signature. So we would say C flat. If no, if we don't see a C flat in those 7, then we just simply say the letter name without saying the word flat. So we would say this is the key of C major. So can you find a C flat in those flats up there? Well, sure you can. There's one right there. Now, you can tell because it's on the C space of the staff. And since there's a C flat in the key signature, now we do also say the word flat with this key signature name. Everybody, this is the key signature of C flat major. Did you figure out the name before it was revealed? Try another key signature video with a different amount of flats in it and see how you do. Thanks for watching.